Hello everyone, welcome to TechHub Blog. Today we are going to discuss file handling in Python. So since it is a big topic, so we have divided this into different parts. Today we are going to discuss the basic concepts of file handling and we have classified this as part 1. Now why we need file handling? Like we need the file handling just to read the data from the file and to write the data into the file, to append the data into the file like this. So sometimes the output is very much large, so we cannot display them in the terminal of the IDE. So that's why sometimes we need to store the data into the files also, so that we can store it permanently and we can read it easily. File, there are different operations in file. Like first we need to open the file, then read or write the file, and then last is a close the file. What is opening a file? In this, we opens the file. Opening mode can be read also. Read we denote it as a small r. It can be write with small w. It can be append also like with small a, and there are different operations in the file. So let's try to run this program first. We are opening one of the file through read mode. Let's go to the Visual Studio and let me run this code. If file is opened successfully, then it will print file is opened successfully. If it is not, then it will not print. So that means the file is opened successfully in read mode. So that's why the output is file is opened successfully. If we write here something else like file 1, so if it does not exist this kind of file, then it will print file is, it will it will not print this statement. Let's run this program. So here you can see it has given the error, no such file or directory exists, my file 1.txt. And we have stored the file here. We have created this my file. We have created one folder with name Python projects. Inside this we have created the myfile.txt and this is our uh, py file where we are writing the Python programs. Now let's go to the program 2. Here also we are opening the file with myfile.txt. In write mode here we are opening and we are then writing. Here we write a command and hello users of TechHub Blog. So these two statements we will write and then we are closing the file. Let's try to run this program. Let's go to the Visual Studio. Let me show you in the my file we have written here welcome to TechHub Blog. But when we execute that statement, then this line will be overridden by these statements. Let's run this code first. So this is executed successfully. Let's go to the my file. Let's see what is written here. So here you can see here we write a command hello users of TechHub Blog. So these are the statements that we have given in the right statement. So these are written into the my file. Now let's try to run different statements. So here we are opening the file in read mode also, and here we are closing the file also. So at in the end, the file also needs to be closed. So basically, file operation operates in three parts. First, we need to open the file, then we need to perform the operation, then we need to close the file also. Now, what is with statement? So with statements is useful in the case of manipulating the files. It is used in the scenario where a pair of statement is to be executed with a block of code in between. It is always suggestible to use with statement in the case of files because if break, return, exception occurs, the nested block of code, then it automatically closes the file. We don't need to write the close function. So with the statement, when we want to modify the file or manipulate the file, so in that case, we will use the with statement. And one more useful thing of with statement is it doesn't need close statements. So for example, if somehow there is some exception occurs or some error occurs or there is some break in the break applied. So in that case of the file, we close statement is not execute. So in that case, with the statement will automatically execute the close statement and it will close the file. Let's understand this through some examples. Here we are opening the file as write mode and we are writing the hello coders welcome to TechHub Blog. This we will write here using with statement. Let's open this file and write the statement. So the code has been executed. Let's see what is written in the file. So when we open the hello coders welcome to TechHub Blog. So these are the statement that we have given to the write function. So these have been written to the file. Now we also need to append the text also. So in that case, we can open the file in the append mode using the A. Uh, we will give the A in the small case in the open function. So let's run this program. Let's see what this program will do. So currently you can see what is written in the file. Here you can, this is written. So once we execute this statement, this line will be appended. Python has an easy syntax and user friendly interaction, and then it will close the file because we are not using the with here. So we need to write the close. If we use the with statement, then we do not need to write the close statement. This is a useful thing of with statement. Let's run this code first. Now let's go to the my file and see what is written here. So here you can see, hello coders, welcome to the TechHub blog. Python has easy syntax and user-friendly interaction. So the code, the line which we have given in the write function, this has been appended to the previous text. So I hope you all are able to understand the basic concepts of file handling. In the next class, we will make one or two more parts to how to handle more operations in the file handling. So I hope you are able to understand these basic concepts. And if you have any query or question, please to write in the comment section. And also please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. That this will give me motivation to bring more such videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.